Izzy is feeling like. I don't know who the heck she thinks she is to just come out and bully people, talk down people. Over the years, you don't get tired. Izzy has been doing this for years, since 2019. You not gain anything inside. You not achieve anything inside. You not go rest. Emi nama gia ban ogboma Izzy no be Omoruyi. Lawa, my sister. Lawa, your own is getting too much. And I told myself, it is you and I on this app. The reason why I want to put a stop to this for now is because of the call I received from my godfather yesterday. And it was not really good. Because according to him, I'm a brand. I represent brand. So I'm not supposed to be seen doing this on social media. But Izzy, don't say I don't know what I would have done to you and your nonsense people around you. You know now, you tried 2019, you failed. You tried 2021, you failed. And now you want to try again, you will still fail. I'm not your mate. We are not of the same level. We are not of the same category. To be honest with you. I even heard that you said that, who is Kanayo? Oh, Kanayo, my goodness. Then I just told them, is it not obvious that this girl is losing her mind? Is she not a witch? A man that you literally spend millions to have on your set, you say, no, be waiting. You are jealous of everything about me, Izzy. Calm down. I'm not ready to give it up for you. You go cry. Why Viegbe, my sister? It's my word against yours, man. When it comes to you, I will not let you be. Anybody can use their mouth to shop shit too. On this social media platform, anybody can talk. You know now, they've been dragging me for years. See, you can never bring me down. You can never. They not born you well. All right? Ebony, as far as it is, I say, you know, if you forgive Sharon, stay away from her children. You are not okay. You are not okay. You are not fine. Listen, for all this you guys are saying, for this you guys are saying, I will go and see Sharon's children. Mona buy on herself. The more you people are saying stay away, the more that they make me they get interest. All right? It be like say some of you are deaf when I tell you, say the reason why it's even easier for me to talk about Sharon is because me and Sharon don't get issue. Now Izzy know what she see for life. Now Izzy know why she did. I don't know the oath where Izzy and Sharon take, to be honest. Because I was talking to somebody yesterday and I was asking, did Sharon promise did Sharon promise Izzy say if she born one pikin give herself, she go give Izzy the second one? Because I don't know what is Izzy's concern in this. Your friend when you say they fight for, don't go. Allow the mother breathe. Allow people that loves her, help her. Don't be a witch. Don't be a stubborn block. And I heard that there is a day, there was a show they went to in one city in Italy. I don't know if it is radio or I don't know if it is. I think they said I went to that event as well. A lady ran after Sharon and said, Sharon, please, we need you in my event. I want to take your number. Izzy said no. Izzy, come and swear with your womb that this did not happen. Izzy go to give the woman her number. Say me the woman call her. Say if the woman reach, I go see Sharon. As what? Were you a manager or what? How can you be a devil? The more I want to like, okay, you know what? May the evil go is their business. The more everything keep coming out. The more everything keep coming out. Una they live easy, where be witch, where be devil. Una they face innocent person. Why would you do that? Why you put like this? Everything Izzy is saying on social media, she is a liar, a blatant liar. Why are you picking on Golden? I've never seen Golden in my life before. But what Golden did for Sharon's children, now make me like her. Because now she actually stands as a friend for Sharon on her behalf. What did you do? You are busy looking for a property and things to collect. You are manipulating people. You are manipulating people. You guys will see me in Italy. Yes. And I will go and see Sharon's children and Sharon's mother. Mona buy on herself. If you see me for road, talk to me. If not be social media, when is it saying see what it is, okay, make and wear. I want to pause this matter for now. Not because I don't have anything to say to Izzy, but I have business to do. I have promotions to do online. Let me focus on that. When I'm done, Izzy, I'll come for you. Izzy, you are fighting a lost battle, trust me. This battle they fight, so why fight, who you are there go, you don't gain anything. You see those children when they do your body, say you won't carry by all means, you don't go see them. I already told them what to do. I already advised them what to do. May they keep you silent. They will kill you more when they are silent with you. You go by yourself when you don't see you talk to you again now. Since I don't talk to you, Malawa, I don't say I say come and over Leladia. That's you. You cannot take bully, but you can bully people, and you want them to be okay with it. Sharon did not come for me to forgive her, my darling. All those things people are saying, I don't want to start calling people or dragging anybody. You see where I am now, I'm in a very good place. I don't need drama. Sharon did not call me that she wants to settle with me. And nobody called me that I want to settle you and Sharon. People should stop that bullshit. I was never called. Now, let me clear this part. I was never called to settle with Sharon. Nobody called me say, Ebony, I won't call Sharon. No, may I call you, may I pull na two for lemon and settle. Nobody called me say, Ebony, Sharon, they call me. If you call, I want to sit to Nadam and settle. Someone has stopped that nonsense. I don't like it. And I don't want to go there. That's past. This one, they bring the video back. Let me clear it. There is nobody in this whole Benin or outside Benin where they call me one day say, Ebony settle with Sharon. Sharon not call me one day when she did alive say, Ebony Moku settle. I'll go to carry the settle with who me and I know the quarrel. She stayed on her own, I stayed on my own. We didn't have issues. She didn't call me for one day. And I'm very sure, and I know, because Sharon is somebody I made friends with for 5 whole years, or even more. I know Sharon, she don't get that kind of mind. Now Izzy could tell her and say, go girl. You literally pushed that girl to her doom. God will not forgive you, it's easy. Because of what son of him. What good are you doing for her now? No, who is the devil between Goldie and Izzy now? Who is the demon? Who is the demon? Madam, I know say you be Izzy fan. Relax. Izzy no be good person. And you see this thing where Izzy do, so she go lose woefully. Those children, she not go see them. It go pain her. You won't see them. Oh, here Zawe. You know see those children. And why? You no go see them again. Uriya, why you not? How they doing? You are not. May you go born your own now. Where be your where? Why are you so interested in those children? You bully God. You want me she come up for pictures? So I mean you do waiting. Mama Sharon resemble small picky for your eye. His job mo. How you want to do? Her child is gone. Those children now be Mama Sharon eyes right now. They not born you well or anybody or anywhere you won't go. May you succeed. May you win this battle. No, you will not win. And this is my last message for you, Izzy. For now, I want to pause your matter. I will resume your matter on the 22nd of December. I will walk back with you. My matter where my when you because you hear the whole world. You are not soon. You they play audio. Which audio you they play? When I they insult Festina, eh? You, Festina, Let Sharon, and Gloria. When I not insult me, now call me out now. Everybody did this platform. They saw what happened. Why are you crying? Why are you doing pity party? Why are you doing pity party? You guys called me out. And I called you out too. Bring a video. I dare you. Izzy Omoruyi. I dare you. I dare you. Bring out a video or a post and the date so where me fe call una first. You understand me? Bring a video. Where I for call una out. I do not call you guys out. I've never looked for you because what's my business with you, Izzy? I don't know you. You say now you avoid me. How? I avoided you, girl. What is there to like about you? You are nothing but an ungrateful soul. The same you. When I came to your house, Izzy, the same you. You spoke ill of Sharon. You spoke ill of Jeff. You spoke ill of Festina. These 3 people, you spoke ill of them to me. I know what you said about them. And then boy, all move right from time. Even to your own Sharon that you said she was your friend. Who you the gossip man? Only first time when I come your house. So why are you coming online to want to say this, say that, da? Are you okay? Why are you lying? Why are you lying to seek validation? Why are you lying for public to see people as bad? Listen, I'm too up there, Izzy Omoruyi. I'm too up there. Check it. Since 2019, as you don't do, Rich, I've never gone below standard. I've never gone below standard. Higher, higher, higher. I've been going. So, Lawa, my dear, I know be your mate. We are not of the same class or category. So, go boy beans make you shop, my dear. Go boy beans make you eat. I not coming for you. You came for me. And right now, I'm putting a pause to your matter for now. I will come back for you. You feel say if I want drag you, I not give you juju paper. I would have been able to do that, but I won't do it. My sister, God forbid. Oido apolo we na do are court. Uga de una uwe court room Ebony ogbuewa. Ma be well. No, my sister, I forget about them. But the more I wanna like just close my ears, the more this nitwit is coming out to say bullshit. Are you mad? Are you okay? If it's short for you, come Nigeria and drop location, more come fight. So that more to rest. My matter just easy. You won't buy because of me. BP won't kill you. Now you dey eat BP medicine as if say you dey take paracetamol. BP drugs not the market again because of you, Izzy. Enter house now. Enter house. Do you have friends? You don't have friends. You don't have genuine friends. You are just seeking for people that will fight for you. You don't have genuine friends. If they remove your Facebook, what they do for people come up for your body, you are empty. You are on your own. Nobody really send your papa. Nobody send you, my sister. Nobody send you. Anybody I've ever had argument with must realize his or herself later and say, Ebony, you know what? Let's let it go. I know they look for people. I know they look for trouble. My family members knows me. My friends knows me. Not just friends, so my friends when know me, they know. That is why when I told all of them, you people should stay away. I want to do what I want to do. They all stayed away. Even though they still come to want to say, Ebony is okay, let it pass. You people should please allow me. Izzy, stay far away from me. I know what I can do to you, to drag you. I know, but you are already a living dead. So I will leave you there for posterity to take its course on you, for karma to hug you. I kept you quiet for a very long time. For a very long time, I did not answer you. The first video you did, let me remind you in case you're forgotten, that you did with late Sharon, and that's one way. I don't even know the one where she did. I don't even know what to call that one. Oh, I don't even know who she is, so she's not my problem. We say I know wegbe na yaki who work here so Izzy. Now you go be my problem. I don't know about other people. They can go to hell and get burnt. They can't see me in one-on-one and talk to me. They know of it. I don't know what you na see for life. Imakboru no subuwa. Una stay una own. But you see this Sharon matter. Hey, for this you people are saying, Mona know this and no peace, so Mona cut this part. Oh, I'll go see Sharon mama. I go see her children. I will hold them. I will hug them. I will greet mama wella. Anything my hand reach, I go drop her. Since you no get sense easy, at this point in time, if don't be say you dey stupid. Now God they walk. A Sharon ma won't dey close to me. Let's be honest. Sharon don't want me you dey close to her children. If not by now, as you don't claim bestie rich. When Sharon they are left now you. When Sharon they are left now you. But when she born, you travel, you vanish. Travel to where we don't know. But that's okay. It's your life. But have you seen why destiny don't allow you dey close to those children? Sit down easy. What did I do wrong when you not make this thing when I plan work? Your plan was why you were not fighting for her to stay alive. You didn't fight for her to stay alive because those children they're your eye. Those children they're your eye. All your own is there. She don't go, so you carry the children, you call the train them. If you're how? For person where get mama. For person where get mama. No. No, you can't have them. And if you had played well with the mother The mother is a good woman, a very good woman. Mama Sharon, a nice person, very nice person, extremely nice person, very, very. Very nice woman. I wish you just jejely go meet her. Yeah, no worry. Since I did jobless, I don't get work. I know, you know, say my head's not even good like that. And house I stay. Man, you go even take care of those children. Let's be realistic. You when they forget to bath, how you want to take care of children? Kids are stressful. I see the way God they run around. They do. It's not easy. Even in the process, she's even losing herself. Do you have a life that you want to give to those children? You will remember. You just they drag. Yes, my darling. You just they drag. You they drag because will not be your own. Stop now. Stop it. Yeah, she's blocked already, my darling. Now Izzy fake account. I know. All of them they open fake accounts. You go a fake account. I don't get. If I want to talk to you, I come out and talk to you. If I don't want to talk to you, I will not talk to you. If you are just play cool, as Sharon died, so just play cool, mourn her, live. In fact, the truth is, my people, I think not today. I already promised say I don't want to come for Izzy until after November, December. From on the 20th, Izzy, I'll come for you. Make her advise you since you don't get sense. I know say you go wrong, come out. Oh, what more like are you going to say? No more lies. You have said it all. Because you don't even have anything literally to say about me. Now you fail your friend. You dey form friendship while TikTok and jobless human being. Have you ever seen me do TikTok live? Now even because of you, I won't start. Now I don't want to start playing match with Goldie. Go and die. When that girl don't get herself back, I won't come TikTok. Come they do live. We know they do TikTok like now when they mad for TikTok. Oh. Professional TikTokers. So Izzy, get used to this BP when you won't get so, because it go choke you. Nobody will tell me make I stay away from Sharon's children because of Izzy or social media. Excuse me, social media work by money. Not you know they take care of those children. Una no fit tell me to stay away from those children. Since me and her mama no dey okay when she died, I want to make amends now. Because if I knew Izzy was really this evil, I was behind. Because I was wondering, I said, Sharon not be troublemaker. I don't even offend this girl. Why would she go just do like this? Don't know it's not easy, they pump am. As shapeless as you are, very ugly looking human being. But more for face, flat nyash. My shaping me. That woman has passed through. Yes, so messy. That woman don't see shaggy for life. Oh, her eye swell up. But see, is it though they do her? Because she's not your family member. Don't think why are we a social media una when they social media mona they fear God oh mona they fear God. As some they fit talk true so may God have mercy on you. There's this blogger, I see you. Whoever that is behind that blog, God bless you. God bless you. Now because of you, I know they insult bloggers because some of you are good, some of you are get sense. Una never ask Izzy what to be again for all this thing. Or in fact, I'm not the one me way Ije Sharon or Gele Wawa Bere broad daylight. Izzy, what is your business? What is your own? Is it in your position to be talking? How long did you mourn this, your friend? How did you mourn her? Did you mourn her? Because when Sharon died, I said, you know what? Let me look for Izzy's number and call her. This pain will be too much because I was seeing all the videos you were doing online. I didn't know those things were just from your ear. You didn't mean them. That was when she died. After 3-4 days, you already came out. There was no time you mourned that girl. There was no time you mourned that person you called your best friend. So now you are here playing pity party, going on all blog, all social media platforms to go and make noise. I trust Mama Sharon. I know say that woman a matured woman where gets sense. I know say she gets sense. I know say she no go allow you gain access to those children. You will not get them. Oh, you want to join the ex-husband to get the children so that they'll come give them to you. The ex-husband, they stay in Italy. He rent us for Italy. So that may give you the children. Ebony swore about my sister. You are fighting a lost battle. To be honest with you. You are fighting a lost battle. And I will post it here. If you like, come out. Come and talk to me. I will not come out for you. I will resume your matter December 22nd. Make I drop all my movies finish. Make I make my money enter house first. Then I'll get your time. We are here on this social media platform. The only thing you can say is lies. But now this shadow matter, I will frustrate you all the rest of your life because you'll be a bad person. You are a wicked human being. You are a wicked soul. Pastor James, go ask her best friend why she dey stress her mama. Mona, go ask Izzy why no let Sharon rest in peace. They come out, they make noise, they talk rubbish, they lie. Now me, you won't use lie, say talk. If you call they lie, I call Laura. I call they cry. Oh, Izzy talk to me. Who the hell are you? You don't go ask questions. That's it's 2019 now. They come for me. Nothing come out. I'm doing bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger every day. What I do in this town now, nobody they run now. Now let me they run now. So give me my flowers, Izzy. Appreciate my job. Appreciate my job. Appreciate me. Because it's not easy. Today the level one I did. So now God puts me there. Now my push puts me there. Now my determination I put me there. So my people, I've come to make this clear to the public. In case you are feeling bad that I'm going to be close to Sharon's children, don't feel bad. Get used to it because you might not see these children because I won't even do a video. I won't even do a video with those children, but I'll go and see them. We want to take those children out of the public eyes. We want to take Golden out of the public eyes. Mama Sharon can never come out online to talk about anything. That one is 100%. So we'll try and press Golden not to come out to say anything or do anything concerning this matter again. We want to put Izzy in the dark. Izzy, you're going to be in the dark. Trust me. This battle, you have lost it. You are fighting a lost battle, trust me. A matter now, Sharon was never your sister. She was never your sister. She was just a victim of circumstance. Sharon was, I don't know what she was afraid of. I don't know. She sold herself to you. She sold her family to you. She sold everything about her. She sold it to you. She was scared to leave you because she know what made you saga her. She know what made you saga her. She know what made you reveal her secret. Now she was bearing. She was tired of you long ago. I heard it. I heard it. Why? Pastor James, can you give me reason why I shouldn't be close to Sharon's children? Because we're not friends while she was alive. That is why I should be close to the children now. Get used to it, my darling. To be honest. And I don't care who is going to get angry about this. I don't care. You can boil beans and chop. Yeah. I will. When I go abroad now, I'm going to go to Italy to see Mama Sharon and the children. Yes. I will see them. And I will see Golden too. I need to give Golden a hug. And thank her for a job well done. She tried. If not so she try reach, she don't try. At least there was somebody that could stand in the gap. You say, that Golden was beating the children. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Okay, if they are not hungry, why is Izzy trying to drag those children? We know they are not hungry. Their grandma is taking care of them. I saw them. I saw them. Grandma can take care of the children. Izzy, fuck off. This battle, you know, go winner, my sister. Winner. How you want to win? You are dragging everybody. I saw this one. I saw this one. This one. You they name people boyfriend. Name your own. Where is your own? The only one guy who will sleep with you for your life, he say you dirty. He was on my live stream. Came to say it. That you are dirty, you don't shave. Is that why you are envious of other pretty girls? If you just see girl when fine, it be a ballow. Blame yourself for that. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. Allow that family breathe. If Sharon was really your friend as you claim, you should cover her shame. You should cover her privacy. Why, Pastor James? Mention why. I will not stay away from those children. Or anybody will go close to the children, go by. Why are you people saying this? Why don't you people want them to show these children love? Okay. Okay. I will stay away from the children. I want to be close to the mother. You have any problem with that too? I be me, I see the core. My dear, Sharon will rest in peace. Sharon has been resting. All right? Izzy is just talking, just blabbing on social media. Why are you so pained? Izzy, why are you pained? Why are you angry with all Sharon's friends? What is your gain? Oh, you thought maybe when Sharon dies, you will just take the children, start treating them the way you want. You know, even if you carry the 2 children, oh, which body you want to take care of them? Which money? Facebook money? Your percentage on Facebook? How much your people they get? I will see those children. I will see Iye. I will hug them. I will kiss them on their cheek. Una when not they okay with I'm gonna go buy una self. Yes, I'll follow my heart. If my heart says go and see them, go and see them. What is they mad? Yeah, one big way ho. If I send you the grace. Fear no let person touch you now. Everything about you is just crazy. You know, be better person when the officer made a fight with them. If you buy now, they will say, me and you, who your bomb or me fight you easy. No, no, when I like depression. Now this my mouth, I'll take beats you enter depression. Come out, come they lie. Now so this one is okay. You actually want me to come out and start talking about my ex-boyfriend? Nah, that's past. He's a very good guy. We're still very close. He's my friend now. We don't get issue. So go and hide yourself. I know everything that played. But if I start talking, I'll be selling out Sharon's information. That is why I will keep quiet. If not, I really have a lot to say about that relationship and you were part of it. You played a huge role in it. Everything that played, I know. Documented, I'm aware. But I won't say now because I already decided to let go of everything and just support Sharon's mother and support his children and support Goldie. So if that's not okay with you, Izzy, go and by yourself. You know, mommy, I will just move on. It's none of my business. 100%. Why should I? It's not a problem. But since Izzy is fighting against Mama Sharon will automatically become my mother. I will speak for her. I will defend her. Because I know she cannot come out and talk. I know she cannot come out and speak. I know she cannot come out and say anything. I will speak on her behalf. When the time comes, Izzy, you have a query to answer. They do TikTok. Woman they know TikTok. They do TikTok. And then I say your man will tell you. So until then, I'll come back again, but not this time because this is my last message to Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi, take this home. Stay away from Mama Sharon. Stay away from this issue. If you stay away, I will stay away. Let the guy fight for himself. Let him handle himself. You shouldn't be the one doing the mouthpiece. Imagine you join that guy. I don't have any problem with that guy because I ain't born children, which is okay. But it shouldn't be coming from you. Sharon made a big mistake. Sharon, here family already you about my sister. Or here boy no. Sharon, do this one oh. Me Ebony no laugh. Mo Pepe Ebony. Mo do this to Ebony. Una jo viere aru lo bam bam. It no matter. Mona get used to run. As he don't buy so now my man say make I let's go. Make I go see children. Mona allow me. I go Italy. I need to see ye. Now. I need to see Mama Sharon now. She's my mama now. I need to see her. I love Iye so much, Sharon's mother. I love Golden. I love the children. So, Izzy, get used to the tears. You'll cry blood, my sister. You'll cry. See, in all this, at the end of the day, what about you say, oh, I wish I know. One day we now and I say, you know, pass on well. As you see and say those children, they are in case of next time, if you get another friend when you won't send go yearly grave because of children. See, play nice. They never start a bit. Side. Tell us if they don't start make call us. See, there are ways you do it. You would have made you would have made Mama Sharon your friend. You wanted to make Goldie your friend. Goldie ran away from you because you were saying trash about Sharon. You were calling Goldie now. Goldie. Imagine your own friend die. Goldie friend die. Goldie was mourning. You were saying you be bestie. Go the pet Goldie. Say me no go sick. May she calm down. She go sick. So meaning you don't even get time to mourn. Una ya pet on my. You when me if you say, oh, this Izzy go die, oh, Mona go help me find Izzy for me, oh, my call Izzy, oh, my just pet and say Izzy sorry. I don't know, say, oh, Giazionki. No, oh, mama, no. You passed it the wrong way. Who were you losing now? When my money now, you see those children, so you don't see them again now. And you know if you see those children, go they stand for Joshua, they look the way he will carry them go school, go they look like this. God they will move on with her life, but Iye is strong and healthy, and she's covered with the blood of Jesus. No, if you do her anything, she go raise those children. Excuse me, person who lost her only daughter. She has just 2 kids. You want her to free those children for you? No. Iye need all the support she can get. She need all the strength and energy she can get. And I will play my part. So Mona go buy. If it's not okay with Una, Mona buy. Bloggers, Mona cut them. Tomorrow or later, Mona Saturday come. Ebony say enemy. Una no can't do me anything for us. I know Kukuma said Una papa. I know they see Una. The only person when I get issue with on this social media platform is Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Beso. Izzy Bugu. Izzy Bemiame. Omoruyi. Now me and you, my word dinner. Then when they go when you almost to boom. Because I don't call you. They say me and you no quarrel suddenly. Digi. They lie up and that they call people name you, they friend this one, you and person they drag this one. What you say me they can't do? May they go kill her. And so no be young girl she be. She no fit date whoever she want date. If she let me she date married man, so what? We married a married man. No be you first to date married man for being. No be you start on. Say my ex, you get ex. How you take get ex? You were half. You take get one man and when you open beer parlor 1 or 2 days before your picking buy. Which ex? Why you dey lie? Thank you, Alexander Love. I want to see the mother. I will see the children. Since I couldn't make up with Sharon while she was alive, let me transfer that love for her children and to her mother, so that I can see those children when I want to see them. I will call Mama on video and speak to her and speak to the children. But Izzy, can you call? No. I they pay you so. You know if you call, you know if you go, you know if you do anything. You are just in the dark. And the dark you shall remain. In that dark you shall remain. If you see anybody who just they talk well of Ebony, you'll go back, go to tell them say you want to do their Facebook for them. They'll come they play to your rules. Who you feel say I send? Who you feel say I send? Industry and outside industry. Who you feel say I send? I love who love me. I dare for who dare for me. Who not dare for me, I not dare for you. Who not love me, I not love her. If you give me positive vibe, I give you positive vibe. Who is paying my bills? Nobody's paying my bills, my darling. I don't need anybody. The only thing I need is God and finance. So they push my film, they go. Who else do you think I need? Excuse me. I'm fucking doing well. God has been faithful. God has been so faithful. And I will keep doing well by God's grace. So my darling, ladies and gentlemen, I'm officially telling you guys that I will go to Italy soon to go and visit Mama Sharon, see the children, kiss them, hug them, and make up with the family. Me and Sharon no quarrel. I'm waiting my heart to settle. Sharon didn't come to settle with me. She didn't call me that we should make up. Nobody called me that Ebony Mona can't settle with Sharon. I called Sharon Mona, sit down Mona settle. Nobody did that. Just for the records. So you should take my name out of your lips. Please. Are you guys joking? Yeah, people. So guys, Izzy Bubu, Izzy Miami, Izzy Mu. No be Omoruyi. I will not be coming out for her for now. If she like, may she go use her head hit wall. I don't go tell her say we won't put her for dark. Izzy, you will not hear from Golden again concerning Sharon's children. Definitely, you can't even call Iye. You have lost that part. And if this boy now wise now, may he stay away from you. You are the wrongest person when you go past to go see those children. You are a bad influence. He should stay away from you. He should do it the right way. Settle with Iye. Just maybe she'll go see those children. But coming to be with you, he go back below for Italy, go back. You know, see those children. And you don't even make them see them. Which right you get? You won't enter Iye house, go see them. You don't shit for them now. When in a church, you know, you Psalm 111 verse 10, the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. You don't want. Go and sit down. So, guys, All those bullshit that nitwit is saying. Mona scrap am. It didn't happen. She's just fabricating stories. Just the form story. Easy, carry Bible, hold lamb. Put her for your belly, put her for your head. Say everything you don't talk about Ebony. Say na truth. To forge. My Bible do veyo.